Motovloggers don't need much storage, but moto content creators need much bigger storage systems like this. Well, what's the difference between motovlogger and moto content creator? Let me explain that. A few things that I have learned is that motovloggers who travel much are more inclined to tend towards recording their footages in 1080p, which gives them more flexibility in terms of battery life and storage. Moto content creators, on the other hand, try to use multiple different cameras, which eat up a lot of storage. It's not just one-time setup that you copy the dump, edit it, and post it to the social media platforms, and so you're done with it. No, that's not right. Not everything in that footage is to post on social media. These are memories that you save up for the future purposes. And you can also use the same footage in your future videos as well. So if your style of motovlogging is just the POV videos and you don't need to worry about spending thousands of rupees and adding extra storage to your inventory. When I started using multiple cameras, my PC, my SSD and my hard drive are out of storage right now. And also, it's not very simple that you store the data in one device and you're done with saving the footage. You need to have multiple copies of it, at least a second copy from the original source. These are not just storage systems. Trust me, down the line after 5 to 7 years, when you start thinking about the past, you'll definitely have the regret feeling of not storing that footage. Try to make as many memories as possible and save them. You'll thank me later. By the way, this is not any brand promotion. I bought this device myself for my extra storage. Well, I have to get going now. I need to save some memories in this new device. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.